All right, so I just got my TheOtherBike shirt in the mail. Let's do the opening and see what it looks like. Here's a little lightweight bag. Oh man, that's sick. I'm gonna try it on, and we can see what it looks like on. But we got the TheOtherBike logo, not just another e-bike on the sleeve. Another TheOtherBike logo, super cool. And on the other sleeve, coolest thing ever. It's a drawing, the first drawing from Dr. Chopper, revolutionizing the e-bike industry and where the bikes have come to. So let's try it on and see what it looks like. All right, super cool. Actually fits really good. It's a large. I'm pretty much at a large. I like it's fitted and super comfortable and not real thick, so cool for the summer. Get yours today. Check out the link below.